So I'll be showing you the general settings on the REX IPPBX. The first one is you need to set the system time. This is very important because you know the time or the timestamps are used in such features or to get the logs. And oh, for sorry, yeah. So also you need to select the caller ID detection mode. So again, this is in accordance with the feature of the peer switch. So say for example, if you are in your country, the ring call ID detection is before ring priority, so you need to select that one. It means that the call ID will display before it rings. So that's the call ID detection mode to PSTN. Then need to make changes also to the digit map. Yes, digit map, it defines the dial plan of your device. So uh, you need to carefully set up the rules in this map because it will help the device to recognize the ending of the dial numbers. So say for example here, we have the examples here of digit map, and as you can see here, the first one, two, then we have how many digits here? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So generally there are 7 digits. Then this one is the 8 digits here. So it means that the device will terminate receiving digits after it receive 8 digits. So starting from any digits between 2 to 8. So that's the digit map orientations for that one. And of course, yeah, say for example, the 1XX. So it means the device will terminate receiving digits after the 3 digits starting with 1. So that's how is the orientation for the digit map. Okay, so let's proceed. You need to select the impedance of the FXO port. So again, it should match with the local PSTN. So we have for our device, we have the complex, the 600 or the 900 ohm impedance. And of course, you can select the call progress tone plans. So our device have preset, I think, more than 27 countries. So you can select your region or country. Then it will be it has predetermined already the tones, call progress tone. And of course, if you have you have a specific tone plan, then you can also do customize as well. Okay, so next is how to configure the REX IPPBX for ITSP connectivity. So you need to go to trunk IP trunk. You need to select. You have the trunk type. It could be peer trunk, registration type, or register. But generally for ITSP, it needs to be on. Need to register. Then of course select the SIP trunk and input the informations here: the SIP server, the domain name, of course the number, the password, and the number of concurrent calls. After that, you need to click OK, and you need to verify the registration status. So it will show here that it has been registered successfully. Next one is to, yeah, this is for the analog trunk. You just simply connect the standard analog telephone lines on the FXO port, then go to trunk analog trunk. Then the connection status will show here that it is already connected. And also we recommend that you have to put also the actual trunk number as well. Then you need to click save. So now, how are we going to configure the inbound handling? So we have 3 ways. First is to set to auto attendant. Okay, so go to trunk, analog trunk. Then here you can set the inbound route. So you can set that to attendant and set the greeting for the trunk. So we have a built-in greeting also. You can also upload that one. So later on, I will show you also how to upload and where to upload. Then of course, on the IP trunk side, go to trunk IP trunk, then set inbound route as attendant, then select the greeting file you wish. So here is to assign the time schedule. The default is business hours alls. Of course, you can do customize as well. Just simply click customize and select the day you wish to configure. Then, of course, the time that is in your requirement. Okay, so the next one is for the inbound handling. That is DID. So it means that DID is it can direct an incoming call to the bound extension or to the extension group. Okay, so go to trunk, analog trunk, then set inbound route DID, then you can select the DID number or the hunt group, DID hunt group that you have configured on the device. So that is inbound handling to DID. Then the next one is, I think this is not really commonly used, but I have to show you here that the inbound handling using the case system. So case system, you need to set the extension number to the hand group. Say for example, I define a hand group 100, then those extensions 200, 201, 214 belongs to the hand group 100. After that, after I have been able to set that, so yeah, I need to select the DID number here. Yeah, set the inbound route to DID. Then I have already make the hunt group to 100. Then select here. So this is also the same configuration the IP trunk. Select the inbound route on the trunk. Then select the DID number. Then, of course, you need to configure the function case on the IP phone. So you can set on the function key, then select the BLF status, and of course the number for this line, DSSK 1 and 2. Okay, so next one is how